So now that we discussed step 1, determine your position, it's time to focus on step 2, which is plotting out your path. When it comes to plotting out your path, here's what you're going to want to do. First, do a 1, 3, and 5-year profit projection off just your flagship product, not the products that will lead to it, not the back end, that products you could sell once a customer comes in and buys your flagship product, purely off your flagship product. You say, year 1, I should be able to do this much with it. Year 3, I should be able to do this much, and then year 5, I'm looking at that much, right? Now, do this through multiple projections of price points, units sold, traffic models, and so forth. All kinds of people say, Jason, what should I sell my product for? I don't know, because there's so many different factors that are available. So run the projections, and it's pretty self-evident once you run the projections. So what does it look at if you sell it at $99 versus $199 versus $499 versus $999? Well, it would have to be different at each of these price models for the customer to be eager and excited to want to buy the product. How many units sold do you think you can get at $999 versus $99? Is one better net profit-wise than the other? Is it better to sell more units at $99 or less units at $999? Or maybe you'll sell almost the same number of units at $999 as you will at $99. So then obviously you'd want to sell at a higher price point. What's your primary traffic considerations going to be for this? What are the different things you're going to test out? So that might determine year 1 might take a little bit more of a ramp up, but year 3 is going to go nuts potentially, right? Run multiple models like that to figure it out. Hey, it's worth doing because it's going to be your flagship product. Refine based on the different paths presented in this module. So I'm going to help you with your projections based on some of the considerations and opportunities that I think it makes sense to lead people towards your flagship product. And this is really important for you to understand. It's unlikely that you're going to be anywhere close to accurate on this. And that's okay. That's fine. This is an exercise that really helps you understand units sold at what price point gets me to here in 1, year 3, and year 5. And by getting that out there and making it real and tangible, that's going to be extremely helpful to you in ways that you can't even get to appreciate until you do the exercise and then put it into action.